Hello students, now we are continuing the next points of vectors, that is theorem number 8. If we take L, M, N are the direction cosines of a line, then L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. In proof, we take L, M, N are the direction cosines. Let we know that alpha, beta, gamma be the three angles, made by the line axes, line with x, y and z axis respectively. We have already studied about the value of L is equal to cos alpha, then M is equal to cos beta and N is equal to cos gamma. Then let me take the position vector A bar is equal to A1 into I cap plus A2 J cap plus A3 K cap be any non-zero vectors along the line. Since I cap is a unit vector, I cap is the unit vector along the x-axis. Along with x-axis. Therefore, we know that the value of A bar, then A bar into I cap. I cap is unit vector. Since we take the A bar into I cap, put the value of A bar and we multiply it I cap. That is equal to modulation of A bar into modulation of I cap. And that is the A bar into I cap. It is the modulation of A bar into modulation of I cap into cos alpha. It is also denoted is equal to A cos alpha. Therefore, A bar into I cap is equal to A cos alpha. Also, A bar dot I cap is equal to, we multiply A1 into I cap plus A2 into J cap, put the value of A bar, that is plus A3 into K cap into I cap unit is equal to A1 into 1 value plus A2 into 0 plus A3 into 0. Then we get value of A2 into 0 and A3 into 0, that is 0. Therefore, we write A1 plus 0 plus 0. Therefore, we get A bar dot I cap is equal to A1. And also we know that the value of A bar dot I cap is equal to A cos alpha, and here value of A bar dot I cap is equal to A1. We will give equation number first here. Then we write the above equation and equation number first. the a bar I cap and a bar I cap is same. Therefore, we know that we write the a cos alpha is equal to a1. Therefore, a into cos alpha is equal to a1. We will give equation number 2. Same process. Since we take j cap, it is a unit vector. First we take I cap is unit vector, then we take j cap is unit vector along y-axis. When we take j cap along y-axis, first we take I cap with x-axis, then j cap with y-axis. Therefore, we write a bar into j cap is equal to modulation of a bar into modulation of j cap into cos beta. That is equal to also a bar dot j cap is equal to a cos beta. We also write here a bar dot j cap is equal to put the value of a bar, that is we know that a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap into j cap is equal to, we write here a1 into 0 plus a2 into that is j cap, we get value 1 into 1 plus a3 into 0, that is equal to 0 plus a2 plus 0. Therefore, a bar dot j cap is equal to a2. We get the value is a2. Therefore, a bar dot j cap is equal to a cos beta and a bar dot j cap is equal to a2. Then we observe the above both the equations and we write the value. That is a cos beta is equal to a2. We will give equation number 3 here. Similarly, we take cos gamma, a cos gamma is equal to a3. Also we solve, then we will give equation number 4. Therefore, from equation second, 3 and 4, we write a square cos square alpha plus a square cos square beta plus a square cos square gamma is equal to a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square. We get the values. Therefore, we take here a square common, then we write a square, remaining terms in bracket, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to a square. Rearranging above equation, then we get that is the value of a is equal to modulation of a bar is equal to under root a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square. We get the values. Therefore, we write the above equation, that is cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. That is, we put the value of cos alpha is equal to L, cos beta is equal to M, and cos gamma is equal to N. Then we get, that is, the value is L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. Hence proved. Okay, we will stop here.